The French language is a global language with around 77 million native French speakers and 300 million when counting second language speakers. Learning French is also popular among global populations. So the number of French language speakers continues to grow, with French speaking people found on 5 continents and in many countries. It is easy to understand why French is such a popular choice among learners. Some of the most popular French speaking countries are France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Canada, the United States, Italy, and Switzerland. There are also many French speakers in Africa and the Caribbean. In fact, the French language is the official language of 29 countries, including those listed above. It is also the official language of 36 international organizations, including the United Nations, European Union, NATO, and World Trade Organization. Given these statistics, it is no surprise that the French language is the fifth most spoken language in the world, the second most spoken language in Europe, and the only language aside from English that is spoken on all 5 continents. However, the reasons why French holds such a prominent position in the modern world remains a mystery to many. This article aims to uncover the history of the French language in detail. We look at the origins of French, why it rose to prominence in France, and how speaking French became famous worldwide. This is helpful when learning French is better understand the language's evolutionary traits, but it is equally as fun if you are not learning French. Let's start by going back to where the French language first began. French language origin. Latin was historically used for all literature and official documents throughout Europe. The French language descended from Latin, just like the other Romance languages. It first appeared in writing in 842 AD, when used in the Strasbourg Oaths, and appeared in religious writings in the 10th and 11th centuries. However, French literature didn't take off until the late 12th century. This initial version of the language is known as Old French. Several Old French dialects emerged among people speaking French. However, one dialect emerged dominant, Francian. This dialect was spoken in the Île-de-France region in France. This version of the French language thrived in the 14th and 15th centuries, becoming what is known as Middle French. During this period, significant changes in the spoken and written versions of the language occurred. In 1539, the King of France announced that the French language would be used for all legal matters. This increased its popularity significantly. Another reason why French became a dominant language was due to the publication of the first French Latin dictionary. This made it easier for people learning French to see the Latin translations and aided comprehension among the population of France. Now let us go into its origin in French too, because some listeners want to listen to the matter in French language too. Let me start. L'origine du français. Le français est évolué à partir du latin vulgaire, une forme de latin parlée par les gens ordinaires de l'Empire romain. Les Francs, un peuple germanique qui a envahi la Gaule, l'actuelle France. Au 5e siècle, ont également contribué à l'évolution de la langue française. Elles ont introduit des mots germaniques dans la langue latine qui ont finalement été adoptés dans la langue française. Les dialectes locaux ont commencé à se différencier et des poètes comme les troubadours et les troubadours ont commencé à écrire en langue d'huile, la langue qui allait devenir le français. La chanson de Roland, un poème épique écrit au siècle, est considéré comme l'un des premiers textes littéraires importants en la langue française.